Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve and fix the problem of error reading from loaded packed store. So let's get started. Now for the first method, you want to open Steam Launcher as you can see here. After that, go to library and then select collections. Now in the left menu, make sure you search for Dota 2. Now click it once you find it. After that, you can see in the right the gear icon right here, which is manage. So make sure to click it and then select properties. Now this will pop up. Now all you have to do in the general section, just need to go to launch options and in the search make sure to type like this. So this is the command that you have to type -novid space -dx11. Now try this method, try with space and without space. Make sure to launch the game and see if the problem is gone. Now if this method didn't fix, make sure to follow the second one. Now for the second method, you just need to go to installed files. After that, you can see the verify integrity of game files right here. So make sure to click it like this. The game will start verifying any folders and any necessary files, and if there are any missing or corrupted file, it will be recovered easily and safely without the need to reinstall the game once again. And that's it, just wait for the process to finish. After that, you can easily launch the game, and make sure to restart your computer before, and make sure to close the Steam Launcher. Go to the up arrow in the Windows bar. After that, you select the Steam Launcher, right click and then select exit Steam to make sure that the game is fully stopped. That's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.